What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here. We lost about 2K today on gold. Remember, I passed 2 accounts last Friday, but I had 2 more accounts. Technically, I passed 4 accounts last Friday, but because I made too much on 2 of the accounts, I did not pass those. So I had to continue trading those to balance out the target, whatever. I had to make about $1,400 more, $1,400 more than the profit target, which I did hit 3,000. So I had to make $1,400 more because I made too much on Friday. And today we lost both entries. I took one trade and then I took another trade on the same pair, and we lost both. But it's okay because the trade was a good trade. Regardless if we lost, it's a trade I take any day of the week. And let me go ahead and show you guys. Before I break down, you guys know transparency. Full transparency. Let's take this bad boy down here. Today, March 3rd, you can see lost 1,000 on this account and lost 1,000 on the other account. So in total, I lost $2,000. That's that. I can close out of here. But we still have $2,200 worth of drawdown. Oh, let me go back. We still have $2,200 worth of drawdown because we were above. Because once we get about $2,000 in profit, the trailing drawdown stops following you. Once the trailing drawdown gets to 50,000, it stops following you, and you can continue to scale up from there, whatever the case is. So we have $2,200 worth of drawdown, which is beautiful, which is perfect. So this loss didn't really mean much, even though it looked like we lost a lot. Not really a big deal. We're going to continue trading like we have been the past couple of months because it's been beautiful. It's been great. We just have to make sure we manage our risk. Again, because this is the evaluation, I don't really care about risks. It's just a live account. I care about risk. Evaluation, don't really care. But I'm gonna make sure I take the best trades possible, which this is, again, as good as it gets when it comes to trading. The trade that I took today. But let me break this down. Going into the session, we were about right here. There was this 4-hour imbalance that price had not filled in. Price filled it in Sunday evening right at market open. And we hovered around here during the London session. We still hovered around here during London session. Let me go back a bit. Price did a little extra, but we were still around this imbalance during London session, throughout London session, and going into New York session. We got the MLBM set up, and all we did was wait for a break of this low. Not yet. Excuse me. Now we broke the low. We can use our order block, target that order block, wait for price to go back up into the order block, and then we can take a setup. So at this point, we're just waiting for price to tap into this order block. Now that we've tapped into the order block, we can go ahead and look for a setup. So this was the last down move. This was the last low. All right, price broke the low. At this point, we're in the trade. At this point, we're in the trade. Price hesitated, consolidated a little bit. You can see we got a little push, but it was nothing. Definitely not enough to go at least break even. And ultimately, price just ended up stopping us out. Then we looked for a re-entry. Same thing. That was our last low right there. We're in the trade after this candle break. And this one just completely pushed price up. And price continued and disrespected this order block. And that was the second trade we took for the day. We were done after that point. We couldn't take any more trades, even if we wanted to, because we lost $1,000. And that's the daily limit that TOPSTEP has. So that was that. And yeah, those were the 2 trades that we took today. Let me go ahead and show you on the TOPSTEP account. If we reload this, just like I said before, we have to first off get our account back to 3,000. So we have to get our account back to 3,000, and then make an extra $1,400 on top of that. Your express fund account, that's your balance kept. Hit 5 payouts. Oh, I like this new update that they have. This new rule: once you get 5 payouts from a single account, you get called up to a live account, which is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. But anyways, you guys can see here that, um, like I said, I have 2 accounts that haven't been paid for that are funded. But I just want to pass these accounts first before I go ahead and continue with the other ones. So again, I have to get back to $3,000 and then make $1,400 on top of that. So, just like I said, gonna trade the way we have been trading, guys. One loss does not dictate anything. You guys have seen everything, transparency, and you can even see all the details, the stats over here. All right. Average losing trade, $400. Average winning trade, $1,800. It's like a 1 to 4. My risk reward is actually 1 to 3. It's just that on the combine, I risk more, so it makes my stats look a little better. Win rate could be a lot better, but again, this is the combine. I don't really care. But that's it, guys. That is it. I will see you guys in episode 17. This was episode 16. I will see you guys in episode 17.